Today we'll talk about how can you enable atmosphere uh, on your star work to app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on settings. Then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on visual effects here. Just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. You come here to atmosphere. Just click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's mean here atmosphere enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.